Now, the Mumbai police has reacted on an incident on the road involving actor Raveena Tandon. A scuffle reportedly broke out after a car allegedly hit pedestrians. This car reportedly belonged to Raveena Tandon. The police said that CCTV footage shows that nobody was hit or injured, but what is clear from the video footage is the fact that a scuffle did break out. There was an allegation that both Raveena Tandon and that Raveena Tandon was in fact drunk at the moment, but the police has clarified that Raveena was not drunk and neither was her driver. This is of course a scuffle that broke out because people were hit as a result of this accident that happened. The police also said that there was no complaint that was filed in any police station by any of the parties. Let's go across to Radhika joining us for the very latest. Radhika, while no complaint has been filed, people have been injured. There was an incident that was reported on the road, and what we can very clearly see from that video footage is the fact that a scuffle did break out. So what exactly happened and what's the controversy all about?
That's right, a scuffle did break out. This happened yesterday. In fact, this happened close to Raveena Tandon's house, and she was part of this ugly brawl that broke out between Raveena Tandon, the driver, as well as a few passers-by. Of course, no official complaint has been registered. Of course, there were complaints filed in the beginning, but that was withdrawn. Now, Mumbai police has also clarified because there were a lot of allegations and counter-allegations with respect to this particular incident that Raveena Tandon was allegedly drunk and that she and her driver allegedly assaulted people and that there was an accident also caused by them. However, all these allegations have been denied by the Mumbai police. They have said that the driver was trying to reverse the vehicle close to Raveena's house when there were three passers-by, three women who were trying to cross the road, but the car did not hit them. They felt that the car could hit them, therefore a scuffle broke out, an argument happened, and that escalated. There was abusive language that was used at the time, and then of course Raveena Tandon intervened and sort of tried to protect the driver at that point, which is when the argument sort of escalated. However, there was no manhandling, there was no physical assault, is something that the police has confirmed. Police also confirming that neither the driver nor the actor were drunk at the time of the incident, and there was no physical assault as being alleged, and both the parties did try to complain, but later it was compromised and the complaint was withdrawn. This was not a case of accident, this was just a case of a scuffle and a dirty brawl between the driver as well as the number of passers-by, and Raveena Tandon did intervene and it sort of got ugly, and therefore allegations and counter-allegations broke out. However, the police confirming that there was no physical assault, there was nobody in fact was drunk at the time, and there was no accident that was caused.